Welcome to Discount Garage Doors, LLC, where we specialize in top-quality garage door services throughout Northeast Pennsylvania. Let's explore our range of services. Our garage door spring repair service ensures your door operates smoothly. Springs are crucial, lasting typically 5-7 years. Need a repair or replacement? Just give us a call. Looking for a new garage door? We offer a wide selection, including custom designs, ensuring the perfect fit for your home. Fast delivery and installation guaranteed. Efficient service is our promise. With over 20 years of experience, our technicians provide free same-day estimates and are ready to tackle any garage door challenges anytime. Thank you for considering Discount Garage Doors, LLC for your garage needs. Contact us to schedule an appointment and experience service that exceeds your expectations.